What is up, guys, and welcome to another system test. I'm Southwest Missouri Woodsman, and this here is Anthony.
Hi.
And he's going to be here for our system test today. So, system is more or less the same. It's still the true alerts. That's actually a quick alert, but it doesn't matter. That's still a quick alert. There's still true alerts in the rest of the house, and then there's the BG12. But we can go in the house and check out the other stuff real quick. Yep, there's still a true alert here, and a BG12, and a box with a lot of crap in it. And there's still a strobe, and a pull station, and a smoke. You want to do the honors?
Sure. Reset it?
Yeah. It'll take it a second. There you go. All right.
There.
And then we can test the manual evac switch too, because everybody likes that.
Oh yeah.
It's a fun time. You can see the strobe sync too. It does that sometimes too. The sync goes crazy.
Yeah. There it goes.
Well, I shut it back off, but and then we can have more fun. Yeah.
Nice.
And we'll open up the NAC extender as well, because it's got a bunch of pretty lights in it. There you go. Those are all four of the NACs there. If you listen. Inputting strobe sync.
Nice.
Yeah. So, and then obviously the light still works. So, not a lot has changed, but, you know.
Can we test the smoke at all?
Yeah, we can test the smoke detector. We'll leave it in alarm.
Okay.
I may have something in here to test it with.
Oh, maybe not. There it goes.
There you go. The first time it did that, I thought I broke something because it wouldn't shut up. Let's see if we can get it to... Oh yeah, there we go. It's set up very much like a addressable.
Addressable, yeah.
Yeah, but it's a conventional, just a 5-zone thing, little bitty system, but it does work quite well. I've tested that involuntarily on accident a few times. But you know,
it's always good to know it works.
Yeah, and I can even unplug it, and it would still work. See?
Good. Reset?
Yeah, go ahead and reset it.
All right.
I'll go ahead and shut this.
so I can find the firelight key. Now it's locked. There we go.
And I did add custom labels too. Nothing super fancy. It's just, you know, that's the end of line for NAC 1. The NAC extender 1, I should say.
Good.
And then it's obviously zone 3 on the firelight panel, and then I think NAC 2. Yeah, this is NAC extender 1, NAC 1 end of line. So, but yeah, still have the, that's dusty. That's still got the stopper on here. It's still hornless, so I have to lose a detector tester. Oops.
Oh, I missed the horn.
Yeah, there's no horn in there.
Oh.
See? Yeah. I ordered one without the horn, just, I don't know. It was used and it was cheap.
Good.
But obviously still not hooked up. Maybe I'll hook it up to the doorbell or something. But yeah, no, that was system test. Good lord. What was that? System test like 5?
Something like that?
Is it 5? In 2 years? That's bad.
Something like that, yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching.